Welcome back to Drupal Academy. In previous video, we installed Node.js and set up the React application. In this video, we are going to do something really exciting. We will integrate Drupal JSON API with a React application, use a cookie-based authentication, and display articles from Drupal in React. By end of this video, you will learn how to log in and log out from Drupal using cookies, configure cores properly in Drupal for headless, fetch articles using JSON API, and display article listing and article detail pages in React. This is real world headless Drupal plus React example. So let's get started. Before jumping into code, let's quickly understand the flow. Drupal will act as a headless CMS and React is the front end. We will authenticate users using the cookie-based authentication, and browser automatically send cookies after login. The JSON API will provide the article data. So we are not using JWT here. This is cookie-based authentication, which is very common in Drupal for websites hosted on the same domain. In last video, we already set up this React application, and I have also prepared the code as well. So first I will enable that code by replacing this existing code. For that, first I will stop this application, and in the src-new folder I added all the functionality which is developed in the React. So first I will rename this folder as old, and in this new folder I developed the React application. So now again I will start the React application by running this command npm run dev. In browser you are getting error like failed to resolve React router DOM. So we need to install this React package as well. This is used for the navigation. So for that, command is, again I will stop this and write command npm install and the package name. So this will download and install this package, and again I will start. So here you can see now our application is loading. The first page is login page. After login, it will redirect us to the article listing page. So I will now try to log in using my credentials. That username is client1_user and the password. First I will show you this demo, and after that I will explain you code which is written in the React. So click on login. In login you can see we are getting the error like access to fetch at this area from this origin. So this is the origin of our React app has been blocked by the CORS policy. To fix this issue, we need to allow this origin in our Drupal application. For that, go to the site's default directory, and if you don't have services.yml, just copy and paste this default.services and rename it to the services.yml. Open this and scroll down to this cors.config. By default, the enable is set as a false, means it is disabled. We need to set it to the true. In the allow headers, we need to pass these headers like content type, authorization, xcsrf token. Copy this and paste in our services.yml. In the allow methods, we need to allow get, post, patch, delete and the option methods. So copy these methods and paste here. In the allow origin, we need to pass our origin domain. So our origin is this localhost :5173. And in the expose header, set the expose header as set cookie and max age I will set 1000, and in the support credentials change it to the true. Save this and go to your Drupal backend, clear the all cache. The cache is cleared successfully. Go back to our React app and log in using username and the password. So my username is client1_user and the password is, we'll click on login. So here you can see now the course error is not there. We have logged in into our React app and it is now showing the available articles list. By clicking on this read more, it will redirect us to the detail page of the article. I added one back button as well. If you want to see this article, you can see this one. Now I will explain you about the React application. In the app.tsx, we have included all our components, that is login, article list, article details and the API. In the api.ts, I set the API base URL, like this is the URL of my Drupal application, and here is the logic to get the proper image URL path. So first we will go to the login.tsx. In the login.tsx, this is the username and the password controls which we have here. Once we click on this form, it calls handle submit function, and in the handle submit function it calls our APIs, that is user/login underscore format equal to JSON, which we have already seen in the previous videos, method as a post, credentials as a include. So this is important to store the cookies, headers application/JSON, and in the body we are passing the username and the password. If we get the success from the API, it redirects to the /article page. So again I will show you that, client_1_user and the password. So it is redirected to the /article page, and in the article component it hits our API, that is JSON API, node articles, and in the field we have mentioned these fields: title, field image created, path, user, and in the include we added the field image UID and sort by the created date descending order. Same way, on clicking on this read more button, this is the detail page of our article. This output is coming from this page, and this is the endpoint for that. So that's it. We successfully integrated Drupal JSON API with React, implemented cookie-based authentication, and display articles in the real headless setup. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe to Drupal Academy. If you need React source code, just mention in comments. I will upload this code on a public repo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.